Hello Internet. Today we have this Astral from Asus that came after someone had attempted to fix what wasn't broken to begin with.
Huh?
While checking for resistances, the memory is reading short. I guess this is the source of our problem. Injecting voltage and looking around the board with a thermal camera showed me nothing, so I decided to take a closer look and clear out the mess to see if that helps. But it didn't. On the other side of the board, we have a giant solder blob. If I clean that up, the short will go away, and I also don't want to miss that one resistor that was probably knocked off by whoever tried to fix this non-existent problem before. Perfect. The short is no more. We are ready to install customer-supplied replacement parts. One problem though. The capacitors are through-hole, and the cord has surface mount style. Can't use that, so I'm gonna have to steal those from the donor board. Then, I need to rebuild the pads so that I have something to solder the new capacitor to, and that's gonna look something like that. The soldering will be done on a preheater to make it easier, and now let's power it on and see what it does. Perfect. Power looks good, so let's boot the card and see if it posts.
I am the one.
All that's left now is to clean it all up, apply a fresh set of pads, run some tests as usual, send the customer good news that the repair was a success, and ask for payment. Funny thing though, for some reason the customer failed to see the payment links that I sent him 10 times. Each time I sent the links, he would tell me, "Yeah, I didn't send it," and the tensions just kept on rising until I sent him the screenshot of the links that I sent him, and then he finally paid. After all that drama and threats that his package is GPS tracked, I just ended up giving him a full refund so that he can't open a claim against me, added him to the naughty list, and went about my business day as usual fixing GPUs for free. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was depressing for you as it was for me. Goodbye.